In this video, you'll learn how to join the Udemy affiliate program in 25. By the end of this guide, you will understand the steps necessary to become an affiliate partner and start earning commissions. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Udemy website. Once the homepage loads, scroll down to the foot section. Here you will find a link labeled Affiliate Program. Click on this link to access the affiliate program page. On the affiliate program page, you will find detailed information regarding the commission structure and the requirements for becoming an affiliate partner. Take a moment to read through this information to ensure you meet the necessary criteria before proceeding. Next, you will need to apply through the affiliate partner network that Udemy utilizes. Look for a button or link that says join now or apply. Clicking this will redirect you to the affiliate partner platform. If prompted, create an account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, and a password. After creating your account, you will need to submit your application. This involves filling out details about your website, blog, or marketing channel where you intend to promote Udemy courses. Make sure to provide accurate and thorough information to improve your chances of approval. Once your application is submitted, it will be reviewed by the affiliate partner team. You should receive a confirmation email regarding the status of the application. If approved, you will gain access to unique affiliate links that you can use to promote Udemy courses. After receiving affiliate links, you can start promoting courses on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Share these links strategically to increase visibility and encourage users to purchase courses through your... Keep in mind that the more effectively you promote, the higher your potential earnings will be. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.